Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. This is the second video about C programming language. Okay, so in the first one we tried Hello World. Okay, so let's get started. And after reviewing the Hello World, we'll continue with the second one, the if else thing. Okay, in any programming language, the two things are most important. If else, the branching thing, right? Under some condition, we run this code, and otherwise we run the other code. And another one is loop, like for loop or while loop. It means the code can be automatically run using a structure like a loop. Yeah, we'll talk that in the next video. So let's get started. Terminal. Okay, so our stuff is inside the C workspace. ls-l means list in long format. Okay, so we have two files. This is our source code, and we can use cat command to print out the source code like that. Tab key. So this is the whole application. About 5 or 6 line of code, right? Include a header file, stand IO, stand input output. .h means header file. This is the entry point main function. It returns an integer, right? Like that, return 0, reporting everything is okay. Normally, if something is wrong, we can return minus 1, but don't worry about that. So the most important thing in hello world is print out hello world like that. This is a special character \n. Okay, oh, I think I can make it even bigger. Yeah, to make it look better. Okay, huge. So we have, okay, so if we use just ls list, we can see two files, right? And let's create another one. Okay, vm if else, or just if. Okay, try if. Okay, .c, we'll try if. Press I, enter the insert mode. So we still need to include the stand io.h header file, and we still need the main function. And to make our code look better, we use an indentation like that. We don't use the tab key because it's too much. Okay, so if else, we can do something like that. Define a variable like x equals, say, 1 int, right? And we can say if okay, x is less than 2, we can print out x is less than 2. Okay, it makes sense. Oh, let's put a line break here. That's it. So yeah, that's the structure of if. Then we just put the skeleton code here. Okay, that's it. And if we run it, because x is 1, right, we assign the 1, the number, to this variable. Okay, so it is 1, so it's less than that, so we'll see that. Escape key, quit. And now if we list, we can see two C files, right? So if we compile this one, it will generate the, if everything is okay, right? It means it compiles, and the compiler is happy, it will generate the output file with the same name, a.out. So the new a.out will override whatever, right, the old is. So for now, if we run a.out, it's the binary code for hello world, so we can see hello world. Okay, now that's gcc GNU C compiler, right? Compile this guy. Okay, we still have 3 files. Now this time the a.out is different. Let's see, a.out, x is less than, right? X is less than 2. Let's print out the source code, cat, right? And yeah, now if we modify this code to x equals to 3, we'll see nothing, right? Try, so go to here, and yeah, if we modify that, we can use, right, still under command mode, we can use R to replace this one with like 3 or R7. Okay, now let's quit. Okay, and recompile and run it. Oh, nothing, right? Let's check the code. Because now x is 7 is greater than, it's not less than 2, so this block of code, right, starting from here to here, this block of code, actually there's a single line of code here, is skipped. Okay, let's keep going and change it a little bit, so we can add an else, right? Else, like that. Printf x is not less than 2, like that. Okay, the closing curly braces, closing curly brace. Okay, escape. Now recompile. Oh, what's wrong? Printf. Oh, I missed the T, right? So haha, I was caught by the compiler, right? A typo. So let's go to here, and when we put the cursor here, we type I to insert print. Yeah, escape. Now try it again. Oh, everything is good. Let's check the file, right? So now we have a branching here, right? If else, so if this condition is true, we'll run the code here. Otherwise, we'll run the code here, right? So this time x is 7, so of course it will drop to this chunk of code. So let's see, we already compiled it. Okay, so now a.out, x is not less than 2. Sounds good, right? Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. By the way, this is the simplest, right, if case. We'll add more in the next video.